I need to... I need to go to sleep, gang. Alright, good night, Chad. Yo, blew him up. Nah, Chad, you guys need to go to sleep, gang. I won't lie. You know what, bro? Wait. What am I waiting for? Look at this game. It's not even loading stuff properly, bro. Ah! Don't. Like how you got fast, man. I'm gonna use this one over here. I want helicopters over here. Why does the game look like that? What are you talking about? What do you mean? How does it look? Oh, what? Why does my game look like what? Like GTA 6? Oh, the graphics. That's because this is GTA 6, bro. I don't know how many times I gotta tell you, bro. Niggas just not clocking it, bro. Niggas just not clocking that I'm playing GTA 6. How can I download this mod? Oh, just go on YouTube, bro. You find them on YouTube. I won't even lie to you. Yeah, if you go on YouTube, you're gonna find these mods, bro. It looks good, right? Ah, by the way, say my name, brother. Wooly. Almost thought bro got access to GTA 6. Yeah, man, it is GTA 6. Like, look what I'm telling you guys, you don't wanna believe. This is GTA 6, bro. Can't you see these graphics, bro? I think GTA 5 looks like this. You gotta be kidding me, bro. GTA 5 does not look like... I escaped the police. Lame ass police, bro. Police are lame as hell. I don't like the car light. This is GTA 6, gang. What's the best car you have? The best car I have. Alright, let me show you. Let me show you the best car I have. Hello. Let me know, who's this guy gun? There's someone chasing me here. Hey. Oh. What's up with these niggas? I'm gonna show you just now. Almost exploded, you. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna show you the best car I have. Hold up. Hi, Mr. Makana. Hi. I'm Belly. I don't know if this is the best car I have, but it's a cool car. Wow, this rain must stop, yeah. It's getting annoying now. Can you see this car, bro? Can you see what this is? Can you see what this is? That's a Urus, yeah. This is a Lamborghini Urus, bro. Oh wait, Jonas, see what's up? Type shit. This graphics look insane, I won't lie, yo. Actually, it looks like I'm playing GTA 6, bro. Genuine. Actually, it looks like I'm playing GTA 6. What other car do I have? So I can show you. I have a M4 competition. Can't see because it's too late over here. I'm gonna just change the time so you can see the car. Can you see the car?
My friend Professor No and the Chemical Club, we are here with some deep knowledge for that.
How much is your laptop? My laptop is damn, I don't even know, gang. I don't want to say the price of my laptop on live, yeah.
Have you ever worn an ankle bracelet? We all have. But you, my friend, you are wearing a bracelet on your mind.
This one doesn't have the sound, bro. But it's moving, can you see?
Okay, so check this out.
Oh, no. I also have this, by the way. I think this is the best car I have. Yeah, this one is the best car I have. This one over here. Hey, where are my shadows, Ganti? Where is this guy standing? See, now this glitches. Look at this. My car is in the air, bro. See when you mod the game way too much. This is bad. This is bad. Woo! Can't see. Yeah, it's fast. It's actually pretty fast. I gotta fix this game, bro. I don't know what's going on with this thing. And this sun is too bright. I can't even see you. Look at these roads. They didn't even load. That's embarrassing, bro.
Los Santos Underground Radio.
Hey. Oh, this guy. Please play non-stop. Ah, you're mad, dog. I'm not a robot. Hey, man, I have to go to sleep, dog. I only stayed here because you guys said I should stay. Hold up, let me increase these graphics. Hey, this guy said I should not sleep, bro. Imagine. Where have you seen something like that? Oh, I can pour petrol in this game. See the bar there? There's a bar at the bottom there. It's filling up. Can you see it? Bottom left.
Hurry the fuck up!
Filled. Yeah, this is the best car I have. Which I'm talking about the radio station, play non-stop. Oh. I'm sorry, man. I thought you were saying I should play the game non-stop. Like, what? What are you talking about, bro? Damn, bro. Potato, potato, potato. Potato. Potato.
Who doesn't love some rampant commercialism?
Damn.
Don't go away.
Potato, bruh. Potato. Oh my goodness. Look at this potato. Look at this potato, bro. Ah, guys, you're not gonna even send gifts, bro. And there's so many of y'all in here.
It's not technology. It's your life.
I'm lying, guys. It's not a potato. It's these clouds. I can just change it. You see? If I change these clouds, like the game is gonna be back to normal.